Craftsman power washer. I couldn't figure out what was wrong with the pump. This is the old pump, and I pulled each of these nuts off, and I looked at the bushings down inside there, and they seemed to be all right. I didn't see anything cracked, but it was building up pressure. I even replaced this, thinking that was the problem, but I couldn't figure it out, so I bought another pump. It'll fit this, but it's not quite the same. It's only a 2.6, and this is a 2.8 gallon max. So it's gonna matter probably about 300 psi difference maybe. But anyways, to get the old pump off, there's a keyway in there, well, right there on the drive shaft. I had to hammer this off a little bit to get it off. It wasn't on there really tight, but tight enough I had to hammer it. I don't have a puller. There's 4 bolts that attach. The 6mm Allen wrench is what I used. I didn't have a standard, but it was on there pretty good. Took a little bit of effort to break it free the first turn on each of the bolts, but then it came off, and I just used a flat screwdriver the rest of the way to get it out because it's really tight in there. So I put a little bit of grease on the shaft so maybe it won't seize up the next time I have to take this off. I didn't buy the best pump they had. The best pump was about $150 and $160, and this is about $90. The difference being is the pressure part. Let's see, where is it? Yeah, the pressure part on top was all brass. That part there. But this is just cast aluminum. So I figure if it breaks, it'll break, and likelihood of breaking is probably slim. So that's the replacement power washer pump. So let me put it on here. And it goes on pretty easy. I'll say easy. There you go. So like I say, I greased up the shaft so it goes on there nice, and it's snug. It's not loose, so it fits good, and it's right against the block, the engine. So now just to put the 4 bolts back in, I'll put a little grease on there, and then it should be ready to go. This replacement pump, it's a little bit easier to get the bolts in, and it'll be easier to get it off, because on the other pump it was really tight to the housing. So I put a little bit of grease on the end of it. So I'm just hand tightening this now, and I'll snug it down in a second. So let me go around the other side to get another view. Here it is from the back side, and then from the right side, or this side anyway. Hose input, and then the output.